Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Rogue's hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the vehicle. It's usually found on the driver's side, down by your left foot, often marked with a car icon with an open hood. Give it a firm pull, and you'll hear a click as the primary latch releases. This is the first crucial step to accessing your engine bay. Now, walk to the front of your Nissan Rogue. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, right around the center, often near the Nissan emblem. You'll feel a small secondary latch or a tab. Push this lever to the side or lift it up, and the hood will then be completely free to open. Be gentle as you do this. With the secondary latch released, you can now gently lift the hood all the way up. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or somewhere in the engine bay. Unclip it and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment. This ensures the hood stays securely open while you work. When you're finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its hole and clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the hood until it's about 10 to 12 inches above the closed position. Then, let it drop or push down firmly on the center of the hood. You should hear two distinct clicks, confirming both latches have engaged securely. Always double-check it's fully closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.